Sorry, the video ended, so I had to start again.
Hey Mo, some of them were good then, weren't they?
I know, yeah.
Oh, you're missing it. No, why do I smell?
Oh, I thought you, I don't know why, I thought you had a shower.
No. They're good then, aren't they? Hey.
Me, what's my dad going on about? It's about like the Cindy Harper ones.
Sydney, not Cindy.
Sydney.
Where it goes in Australia, it's like a harbour. Do you know, like
a harvest?
No, a harbour. A harbour
like...
is where boats can come as close to the land as possible.
Oh, yeah.
Where you can get off and on. Have you been to Wales? You've been to Wales, haven't you?
Yeah, I went to Prescott Inn.
Right, did you go over that big blue iron bridge?
No.
No. Well, it's not really a
Some of them are good. How are they lighting them so fast?
I don't know, look.
I'm vlogging.
What's vlogging? Video logging?
Yeah, like it's going on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, look at that one.
Look at that. Oh,
yeah. Should have done that on bonfire night. My dad said it's like the Sydney Harper's ones. I'm literally getting all the fireworks in my video. Wow. Put it down a bit. They're big then, aren't they?
Yeah.
But that was hundreds and thousands. I know. I bet that was £100,000 on fireworks.
I don't know, but I bet it's spent a few bob though. Look.
I know, they're massive.
Yeah.
You might have to turn my camera upside down to watch this, because it's upside down my camera.
That one?
Oh no, yeah, I've just got it in my video. It's like a bonfire display.
I know what it is.
That's a pub, that, you know.
I know. Go and get the phone.
£100,000. You may have to turn the thing upside down to watch these.